messy. There you go. Say, look, I'm better now, Mom. Okay. Yay. I clean.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Yay.
I all messy. My face is all messy.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I have a messy face.
You have a messy face.
You want to see?
Hey.
Ready?
That's Chan.
Grandma.
That's Grandma.
Let me do a little more.
Sissy? Mommy.
Hey.
Grandma,
That's
over there. Sissy, clean.
Grandma's over there.
Okay.
Sissy clean.
All right.
Baby, the couch.
Julie's on the couch.
Sissy, couch. Okay?
Okay, so let's see.
Talk to me some more. Here, I want to get something of you talking. You gonna talk to me?
Have a video.
No.
Danny girl singing one of those.